Hello everyone, I am Sonu Mutnale, final year engineering student from SG Valepundri Institute of Technology, Belagavi. Today I am going to share the journey of my 1 month internship provided by Webstack Academy. About the internship, it's a 4 week online live internship in full stack web development conducted by Webstack Academy. It was a free mentor guided program focused on building real time web applications using the one stack. First of all, I would like to thank Richa ma'am for her patience and unique way of teaching. The internship helped me understand how modern web applications are developed from start to deployment. From this internship, what I learned gained a strong understanding of the merge stack technology, that is MongoDB for database management, Express.js for backend APIs, React.js for building interactive front-end UI, Node.js for server-side programming. Additionally, I learned how the front end and back end connect through REST APIs, understood the project structure and the routing tech, and improved my problem solving and debugging skills through hands on coding tasks. So, moving to the next, that is project work. In this internship, I worked on a real time web application project as part of the internship. It was a nice journey through this internship, I applied all Merge concepts to design, develop, and demonstrate the project. So, additionally, I learned how to manage data flow between the front end and back end effectively, enhanced my understanding of responsive UI design and database connectivity. The outcomes of this internship here I built and presented a functional full stack web app, strengthened my technical foundation and confidence in web development. This internship became a stepping stone for my career in software development. From my end, my takeaway for this internship is this internship gave me real industry exposure, helped me improve my coding skills through hands-on coding tasks, and made me more confident to work on full stack web projects independently in future. So moving to the next, that is understanding the core technology. That is, first of all, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language that gives structure to the web page. So, hypertext means it's a clickable text. Markup means special way to writing text with tags that describe the structure of the web page. As you all know, HTML consists of tags. Tag means it is a keyword written inside the angle brackets. So there are multiple types of tags. First of all, it is heading tags. Heading tags are the six type of heading tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 is the larger and H6 is the smaller. Next, paragraph tag for the paragraphs, div tag for the blocks, span tag for the inlines. And the other type of tags are semantic tags. Is header, footer, navigation, and section. Next, move on to the next topic, that is list. Lists are used to display the items in order. There are two types of list: ordered list presented by OL tag and unordered list represented by UL tag. And the next is table. Table is used to display data in rows and columns manner that we saw in Excel sheets and all. And there are four types of tables representations. Table row stands for TR tag, and table heading represented by TH tag. Table data cell represented by TD, and forms to make the forms like Google Forms and all, and radio button for selecting any one option, checkbox for selecting multiple options. Next, move on to the next core technology, that is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Cascading means style flow from top to bottom and latest one take priority. There are three ways to apply CSS. Those are inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Inline CSS means style is written inside the HTML tag. The style content is written inside the HTML tag only. Internal CSS means style is written inside style tag in the head tag. In the HTML code only, the style content is written inside the head tag. And the other one is external CSS. External CSS means style is written in separate style.css file and it is linked with the link tag in HTML. Moving to the next one, these are selectors. Selector means what you want to style. It describes what you want to style. Types of selectors are element selector, class selector, and ID selector. Next, the topic is loops. To repeat task without writing again and again, we use loops. There are several types. Those are three types of loops are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop, you know the conditions, and while loop, it until it uh, repeat the task until the condition is reached, and do while loop. And next is DOM. DOM means document object model. Here the document means your web page or HTML file, and object means browser, which represents everything as objects. Model, it is a tree-like structure showing how elements are related by one another. And next is inner HTML. It is changing the content from one page to another page. On click means the events or actions by user. Next core technology is JavaScript. JavaScript is a high level interpreted programming language used to make web pages interactive. It is one of the core technologies of the web along with the HTML and CSS. It enables features like font validation, animations, and dynamic content to make your web pages interactive and unique. It runs on both client side and server side. So basically we use the JavaScript in all the projects. It supports object oriented, functional, and event driven programming styles. It uses variables, loops, functions, and objects for building logic as we discussed earlier. Next is a React. React.js is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces. It is mainly developed for building the user interfaces. Based on the concept of components, which makes code reusable and modular. It uses a virtual DOM, that is document object model, for faster rendering and better performance. It allows developers to build single page applications efficiently. So you can use the React. It uses the JSX JavaScript, a syntax that combines HTML with JavaScript. JavaScript for the interactive web page, and React supports state management and data flow through props and hooks. It encourages reusable UI components that make development faster and cleaner. Next to the project. So it is a Homely Hub. Homely Hub project. I worked on the Homely Hub project. It is a full stack web application built using the Merge Stack technology, designed a property listing and booking platform for homestays and apartments. Users can search destinations, view property details, and check availability. So each property page shows images, description, amenities, and price per night about the property. So it integrated a booking form to collect guest details and booking dates. So here we use the front-end technologies built with React.js using reusable components and clean UI, and the backend developed with Node.js and Express.js for API handling and database. Database is used MongoDB to store property and user data. We focused on a responsive design and realistic user experience, strengthened skills in React, JavaScript, and full stack project structuring. So I would like to show the Homely Hub project. This is my Homely Hub project. Open with Visual Studio, and this is the backend folder. And here is the front end folder. Inside this folder, we have the SRC and assets for the images, components. Inside the components, all the features like accommodation for adding the property and home page and my bookings to book the property and payment details for payment and property listing for the property details, amenities, and property images. So user for the login details and all, and store folder same again for the features like accommodation, booking, payment, and property. And here is the main app.jsx and app.css file. So I will show the output of this Homely Hub project. Before that, you have to check the MongoDB connection. So this is my localhost. I'm going to connect it. And this is a database that is testing. Here are the properties I have imported already. All the properties. And I'm going to run the project. It is cd backend npm run. So it will show app running on port 8080 and the MongoDB connected successfully. So now I am going to run the front end part. cd front end npm run dev. This is a localhost. For this, I will open my project. So this is the Homely Hub project. It looks very nice with the interactive web page. So first of all, I am going to log in. If you are a new user, you can register with adding your name. It is Shri email Shri at gmail.com password register. So I logged successfully. This is the search bar. Through this we can search any destination. So this is the start date, end date, and add guest. You can add the number of guests here. Now I will search the destination and it is for example Goa. So here I can see the properties which are present inside the Goa or near to the Goa. So if I click on this apartment or this property image, here you can see the details about the property. The name of this place is Carnival Luxury Apartments located North Goa, and these are the property images. So here is a small description about the property details and the maximum number of guests is 4. So these are the amenities which this place provides and this is the map. You can check where the exactly where the place is located and this is the extra info about the property, all the rules and regulations and this is the booking form. So we can book here. It is start date, end date, number of guests 3, your full name, Shri, and phone number of this place. So proceed to payment. This is a payment form. Proceed to payment. if you are booking, so you can confirm payment. So it will added in the my booking section, and my here is my profile. It is a profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can edit, or if you want to change the password, you can change it. And it is the my booking section. So you already booked on the place, so it will display here. And next to the my accommodation. My accommodation means you can add the places which you want here. Add new place. Title, my home, address, Belagavi, city, Belagavi, state Karnataka, and pin code. So upload photo and upload one photo here, and description. This is beautiful home located in Belagavi. Select property type, which is house, room type, entire room, and amenities. You can select what all the amenities that place provide: kitchen, AC, and TV. So extra info. If you want to add, you can add. This is the place having comfortable features. Check-in, check-in time. You can add 240. I mean, anything you can add. And the maximum number of guests is 8. Per night, you can add two, 2000. So say, account. So is not added. It is not saved. Can save. Type entire room, Wi-Fi facility, kitchen specialty, and TV. Extra info not needed. If you want to add it. And check-in time 5 at 29. Okay, now maximum number of guests are 4. And the price per night is so. So I am going to save it. Now here I left one thing, that is it is filter section. Filter section means it is a price range. So if it starts from 600, minimum 600, and ends with 30,000. So you can drag and drop it. It will start from which range you want properties or places. It will take that range, and property type. It is maybe house, flat, guest house, hotel, and all. And room type. The place may be having the entire room or any type. The amenities which if you select these amenities, it will, and clicking apply filter, it will apply the filter or it will clear after clicking on the clear. The overall overview of my homely hub project, and through this internship I gain hands-on experience on the real world projects and how to build it and how to deploy it. So this is a great experience. 1 month internship. I completed 1 month internship, and this was a great and amazing experience with the great mentorship. And I learned so many things about the full stack development. So thank you once again for this internship and this opportunity. And I would try to inculcate these features in my future projects. So once again, thank you, Richa ma'am, and thank you, Webstack Academy, for this internship and this opportunity.